Guys, good morning. I'm gonna prepare the bread for breakfast. I cut the bread into half and put butter in the mozzarella cheese on top. Before they gonna eat, I'll toast it in the air fry. You don't have toasted toaster. You don't have toaster for the bread. See, this is a putlong bread. I'll cut because I need to put butter inside and cheese on top. After the butter, I'll put cheese. Before when they wake up, I'll just toast it. It's ready to eat. I'm already done eating, but they're not yet waking up. That's why I prepared this for them. They like to eat it with the butter and cheese, mozzarella cheese on top of the butter. That's why there. I'm gonna prepare because when they wake up, I'm gonna clean the room. This is the butter. I put butter and then cheese. The butter still hard. It's hard to see. Just spread a little bit, but this butter will melt it when we toast it. The butter still hard. And the mozzarella cheese I put on top. I need a spoon for the cheese. I'll stay here also so that I can have sunlight while I'm doing this. Outside, I cannot stay outside anymore because the temperature is so hot. See? This is the cheese. I'll put the cheese on top before I toast it. See, like this. I'm gonna toast this when they wake up already. See, they like this one. Last time they finished. How many bread like this bread? Yeah. But our air fry only one bread can fit. And the other only one bread can fit in the where I gonna toast this one in the air fry. That's all.